How to create a playlist on YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create a playlist on YouTube. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to create a particular playlist on YouTube, you can simply go ahead and open up YouTube, right? Now what you can do is simply head over to the video that you would like to add to your playlist, right? So suppose I want to add this particular video, you can tap on three dots there and you can see save to playlist option. Tap on save to playlist option and now it will give you the option to save onto your playlist, but you want to tap on plus new playlist option and now you can go ahead and create a playlist. So I'll just create a playlist here. You can select the visibility, whether you want public or private. Then if you want to collaborate, you can enable it as well, then tap on create. Now what you can do is you can go through the videos, tap on three dots, tap on save to playlist and go ahead and select that particular playlist and tap on done, and now you have created the playlist which will be available here on your playlist. You can tap on view all and you can see the playlist. So this is how you can easily create a playlist on YouTube. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.